Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to define material property in Etabs. First, we go to define material property, and there is four common type material that use in United States region. The second one is 4000 psi. I modify this material and change the name to 28 megapascal. The second one is material type is concrete, and directional symmetric type is isotropic. Also, material unit and mass, weight per unit volume is equal to 24, and modulus of elasticity is equal to 4700 multiplied to the roots of compressive strength value, 28 power to half. Enter. And Poisson ratio is 0.2, and coefficient of thermal expansion A is the same default. And design property data, modify show, it's equal to 28. Okay. Okay. And we have to modify the rebars type, modify this material, change the name to FY 420. Material type is a rebar, and the design property data, we have to change minimum yield strength Fy to 420 megapascal. Okay, then okay. Also, we have a different concrete types that use for buildings and shear wall. It's 35 megapascal, and material type is concrete. Also, weight per unit volume 24, and modulus of elasticity is its change because of the formula have the compressive strength value roots 4700 multiplied to the 35 power its half. Enter. No, it's wrong. 400 multiplied to the 35 power 0.5. Enter. It's right. Poisson ratio is default. Coefficient of thermal expansion is default. And design property data, we have to change specified concrete compressive strength is F prime C 75. Okay. Then okay. That's how to define material property in Etabs. Finally, okay, we have done.